उर्दू में आप सबको सलाम। इन पहाड़ों की बुलंदियों को देखकर मेरा दिल चाहता है कि मैं भी खुदावंद की तारीफ करूं और खुदावंद को पुकारूं कि उसका नाम मुबारक है। इसलिए मैं अपनी आंखें पहाड़ों की तरफ उठाता हूं और खुदावंद को बुलाता हूं। अखियां चुपना है पहाड़ा जिसने धरती आकाश बनाया, तेरे पैरां दे विच अलारा।
Today we are at Naran Kaghan. We are still on the way. With me is Father Louis, Father Nasir, Father Shehzad and myself. Actually we have just come to Islamabad for a meeting, and we took this chance to meet our friends, and we are here with them, and we have started a journey since 8 o'clock in the morning, and we are still on our journey. And this is the beautiful valley of Kaghan Naran, and so beautiful weather. It's drizzling, and we are out here for lunch. We have stayed here for lunch, and we are waiting for what we have ordered. Yes, chicken biryani and some naans, and there's trout fish. But fish we have decided maybe in the evening, but still it's a good weather. We are enjoying. Thank you so much. Enjoy the weather with us. Thank you for being with us.
cool है, cool है।
You also say something about this weather. Better you come out because the
It's coming
video
dark.
is dark. So you come out and we have little interview. What you feel about? Still it is dark. Why don't you go there?
I got there.
Come out,
Yeah.
come out.
It's cool here, and we are happy together, and now we will have lunch together.
Louis, also for you also time also to come. Don't stay there. Come there. Please. Leave it. Otherwise it will come in the video. Come, please.
It's such a beautiful
Meanwhile, you
valley.
take this camera.
Yeah, okay. It's really beautiful valley.
Yes, I have brought instruction. It's not getting better. But we are enjoying this beautiful weather. And for my cameraman, camera this side also. It's a beautiful weather from here. If you come this side, then you can see the beauty of Naran Kaghan. Come here, mother, come here. Doesn't matter, don't worry about it.
Okay.
Look at that weather and show the valley, the beauty of valley. We are still on the way towards Naran, and we have just stayed for lunch break. Camera this side also. Look at it. Okay. That's the great moment, and the unforgettable memories of our being together. Thank you very much.
Thank you for being with us. Thank you guys for watching us. Please subscribe our channel, like, share and comment. Hello.
किसी का गाड़ी प्लान का नाला से है कौन मिसाल
ये झील सैफुल मलूक है और देवमालाई कहानी के मुताबिक वो रास्ता जो परी की लाश को ढूंढने के लिए देव ने बनाया था वो ये। अब देखें नीचे से ये पानी गुजरते गुजरते आगे जाकर ये एक दरिया बन जाता है। ये सैफुल मलूक में हमाकतों का शुरू है। दो हमाकतें उधर है और आला हमाकत इधर है।
और एक हमाकत मूवी बना रही है।
सबसे आला हमाकत ये
और ये देखिए इतना जाता
जब ये गुरुमुख की आवाज आती है ये ऐसे तो अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट
ऐसे ओए ओए उस साथ ਉਹਦਾ ਸਿਰ ਨਾ ਮਾਰ ਦੇਈ पानी च मार। हमारे पत्थर मुक गए हैं उस्ताद।
ये पूरी लेक के ऊपर बर्फ जमी हुई है इसलिए पत्थर बीच में ओ
अभी पहले मैं पगला के जावा
पुश हो गया।
So we are here in Jil Safal Malook and we are about to move back to our hotel where we have spent so much time. So we are on the way back towards our vehicle. But before we go to vehicle, we have decided to take some tea. So I would suggest you please say goodbye to Jil Safal Malook. Hello guys.
Yes.
Say goodbye to Jil Safal Malook.
Jil
Not to
Safal
me,
Malook.
not to me. There
Goodbye,
you
Jil.
wave your hand. Please stay here. Please stay here. And just Anthony. And I prefer if you sing something.
तेरियां सिफतां दे गाने आ गीत करना शुक्र खुदा मेरे रब आए है चंगी रीत करना शुक्र खुदा।
So it's enough. Enough. And just want to make some comments. Please listen. So the Baba in story, he told us that there was a fairy and that prince and fairy, they were having fun in this lake. Unfortunately that is frozen and we cannot, because we have one fairy here and one
This is fairy, this is Deo.
so they still now Shahzad wants to
One
make
of the workers of
he-
Queen.
Shahzad has made oath that he will find out that prince and fairy, because they escaped from here to Egypt. So soon they are going there and I hope they will bring them back here, because people come to see them then they are not here. So what's the use of coming here? So therefore this beautiful valley, we promise all of us, Father Shahzad, Father Luis and Anthony, Father Anthony, you take oath that you will bring,
soon in this year we will bring them
don't
back.
cry here till the time we come, okay? Anthony, you hold this camera also. Anthony, hold this camera also, because I want to be part of this video. Don't move please. Now you comment.
It's nice to be
You
here.
take oath that
It's
you will
really
bring,
beautiful.
Soon in this year we will bring them
don't
back.
cry here till the time we come, okay? Anthony, you hold this camera also. Anthony, hold this camera also because I want to be part of this video. Don't move, please. Now you comment.
It's nice to be here. It's really beautiful
Yeah, I also
to be here.
really waiting for you, Anthony and Shazad, to bring Shazada
Back.
Maluk and Saf.
Today is Nasir's birthday also. So we are here to celebrate his birthday. We did
Please
not have
come
cake,
here.
but we had ice and we celebrated.
Today is the 8th of
Please come now,
May
you celebrate.
2018 and the time
Please cut
is
this video.
15 past 10 and today is 8 May 2018 and Nasir's birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nasir. Happy birthday to you. May you have many more. May you have many more. May you have many more, dear. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
It's
thank
nice
you.
to be here and celebrate Nasir's birthday.
Happy birthday, Nasir.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.